Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you're all fine. Those who watch our videos know that we have a rooftop garden. There we grow some fruits, flowers and vegetables. They are completely organic and low cost. When we need to grow a plant, we have to know these three components. They are proper soil, water and sunlight. We can maintain water and sunlight through natural matters. But what about the soil? Some plants like alkaline soil and some like acidic. Some plants need loamy soil and some plants need sandy soil. The proper nutrition of soil is another main thing. To maintain the nutrition of the soil, we have to give fertilizer and manure. The manure we give to the plants, we make that at home. If you want to make manure, kitchen waste compost or liquid fertilizer, you can go to our playlist and watch them. But today, I'm going to tell how to prepare the soil before planting a plant. Till now, you have watched so many videos of ours and would have understood that in such small pots, we can get a lot of flowers, fruits and vegetables. So let me show you how to prepare the soil. First, prepare the drainage hole at the bottom of the pot. This is important because it causes water retention, which causes the root rot and finally the death of the plant. At the base of the pot, make sure to put some pebbles or stones. But if you don't have pebbles or stone, you can also put some sand. After that, put a small amount of garden soil. After that, put a little amount of kitchen waste, garden waste, etc. The reason why we put this kitchen waste is because it will enrich the soil. Now my mom gave coco pit. This is because it lightens the soil as well as nutrients to the soil. Finally, cover all of it with normal garden soil. You can put these layers one time or more than 2 times. We are preparing them for winter plants. Like this, we prepared a lot of pots. We have to keep these pots for 4 to 6 weeks. After 6 weeks, it will be ready to plant plants. The liquid my mom uses to boost up the soil is a magical liquid. How many of you can guess which magic liquid I'm talking about? Yes, it is the Bioenzyme. Instead of coco pit, you can use one more thing, which is small pieces of cardboard. You will be surprised to know that it does the same work as coco pit. After you have done it, make sure to keep the pots in a semi-shaded area. Make sure to sprinkle water with Bioenzyme. But if you don't have Bioenzyme, you can use a bit of jaggery with the water. Make sure to sprinkle that water time to time in weeks. I hope if you prepare a soil like ours, you will get a lot of fruits, vegetables and flowers. If you like this video, you can visit our channel and watch all the other videos. If you like our videos, you can like and subscribe to us. That's all. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.